Woo! Hey God, it's the weekend, y'all. This 40-hour storm watch about kill somebody. What do you say we make a Hawaiian tropic cocktail? First, you're gonna need a big old glass like this. Then you're gonna get a big old bag of ice. Just like this. You just want to pour it all up in there, people. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that. You just want to fill it all up. Fill it up. And then we're gonna get some Hawaiian tropic punch. Oh yeah. Boy, it looks like it's really gonna come down soon. I better hurry up and pour it all up in there. Or what else? Pineapple, coconut, Malibu. Just want to get it all up in there before the storm happens, people. Ooh, let's try some of that. Is that you want to stick it up and get your big straw. Is that some right here, people? Ooh. Ooh, I have to get some of this. Come on now. Get some. Ooh, the storm batting down the hatches, everybody. We're getting wet now. It's really raining. I need a life preserver. The wrong one. It's really coming down.
Let's go.